Right, MNL students and friends, for this song here, our friends Electric, and that's the initial keyboard, Trinity Rock and Pop. So what we'll do is that we'll pick it up from the left hand in bar 17. Most of you will have learned the left and right hand together because they go well together for up to bar 16. So we're going to pick it up from bar 17. That's where in bar 17 you have this note here going together. So we're just looking at the left hand first. So we have the left hand here starting with our first finger on G, and then we're gonna have naturally the fourth finger available on D. So repeat G, D, and then naturally we have our second finger on F, and then a fifth finger on C. So that's the bass, so to speak, progression. Even though it's quite high up, it's like the left hand rather than a bass. So that's probably not the right terminology I'm using there. But the left hand going G, D, F, C. Notice how I have my hand in a curved motion, nice and relaxed, covering each note available to play. Okay, so I'm gonna play that. Bar 17 sounds like this. Bar 18 is this, and then we go back to square one, which is the same thing again for the other bars, which is then going to be in bar 19 and 20, same thing, 21 and 22, 23 and 24, and then we go on to a new section in bar 25. So I'm basically teaching bar 17 to bar 24. So here we go. Let's start with just the left hand, playing that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's 4 times. We're going to repeat this. Okay, so I'll repeat that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It might be a little bit confusing that I'm counting 4 and then saying it's repeated 4 times. What I was doing is I was counting for each bar. If I was to count rounds, it would be like this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and obviously with a round I meant G, D, F, C. And now what you can do is, if you learn the right hand, you can try to put the two together. So really slow. Notice how I play these left hands short because they're quavers. They're not staccato, it's not, but they're quavers, so they're quite short. Okay, so see, we can add it with the right hand that we presume you've learned by this stage. Okay, you're going to try to put the two together. Okay, so what I would do is I would just put that together first and focus just on bar 17. So we're going to repeat that again, just bar 17, slowly, 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, and then after that you obviously got, because you moved your first finger to here, you got your third finger available for the next phrase, which would be bar 18. Okay, so one round sounds like this. Okay, and then you can try to repeat that 4 times. So what I just did there was to play what I call one round, which is 2 bars. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions, feel free to ask us. And that was all from us.